What's up, guys? The Germ here. March 9th, 2022. Wanted to show you guys how beautiful this is. We got a snowstorm. I don't know if you'd really call it a snowstorm. We only got about 2 inches of snow. And really, really beautiful. It actually snowed all day here in New York. And these are some pine trees here in front of Vanderbilt Mansion. And it is absolutely gorgeous. I love how everything is sticking to the trees. I'm not going to go in here because I am on a time limit. And I'm not sure if they would actually even be open, but I'm sure it would be gorgeous in here. There's a little bridge over here. Let's see if you can catch it. Can't catch it. Can't see it from this angle. And the entrance is right over here. Just wanted to show you guys this beautiful day. I figured we'd drive around a little bit more this morning. It is just gorgeous out today. Again, the snow has stuck to the trees. Well, maybe not so much over here, but there's a beautiful farm over here, and the sun is already coming out. Oh, that was loud. And I want to get some pictures of this farm. I have to do little wipers there. I was saying the other day, I was saying on Monday that it was probably, we were done with snow for the year, and then this happens on Wednesday. To find this farm that I always see over here. Not exactly sure how to get to it, but I think we're going in the right direction because look at all these fields. Look like cornfields to me. Beautiful farm that I always pass on the main highway over here, Taconic State Parkway, and there it is. It's like someone threw a snowball at my car. Beautiful country road. Look at that. Can you guys see the mountains in the background? The steam coming off them. I don't know if we're going to be able to take a very good picture over here. Looks like it goes right into the entrance. Some cows there. It looks much better far away. Right, Camel Duck Dave? Alright guys, I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the Winter Wonderland drive today. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, I am the Germ, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't know how well you guys can see it, but that's the farm we were just at. Got very lost getting there and getting back, but really beautiful from far away.